benefits of instructor-led training for retail training. The importance of instructor-led training can sometimes be overshadowed. Yet, for sectors like retail, which depend heavily on interpersonal interactions and hands-on experiences, ILT remains an irreplaceable component of effective training. Workshop, assessment, discussion, virtual classroom, one-to-one chat, blended learning, and much more. Real-time feedback and adaptation. One of the primary advantages of ILT is the immediacy of feedback. Retail employees can ask questions, seek clarifications, and get answers on the spot, allowing them to correct mistakes and build confidence in real time. Personalized learning. While digital courses might provide a one-size-fits-all solution, instructor-led training can be tailored to the individual. Retail staff come from varied backgrounds and possess different learning curves. Integrating video-based learning. When integrated into ILT, videos can serve as supplemental resources, allowing instructors to focus on interactive discussions, real-time feedback, and hands-on activities during live sessions. The symbiosis of social and peer-to-peer learning with instructor-led training. In the context of instructor-led training, social and peer-to-peer learning bring added dimensions of collaboration and shared understanding. Interactive learning experience. Interaction is at the core of ILT. Engaging in group discussions, participating in workshops, and sharing personal experiences can make the learning process dynamic and memorable. Immediate addressal of concerns. If a retail employee is struggling with a particular concept or tool, waiting for a digital module's completion might deter them from seeking help. With ILT, they can voice their concerns right away, ensuring that no one is left behind. Choosing the right LNS or LXP. The right LNS or LXP ensures seamless content delivery, tracks learner progress, fosters engagement, and adapts to evolving educational demands. The Learning Lab LNS becomes the bedrock for sustainable, scalable, and impactful digital learning.